Marhaba, J. De La Cruz in Dubai, and for today's video, we will do our unboxing of Samsung Galaxy X Cover 7. This is my second unboxing because it's already unboxed by our HR and IT, because this is my second company mobile. This is my first company mobile and this is the second company mobile. So, dalawa na ang aking company mobile. This is exclusive for one client. So, it's already open because the HR need to take all the details of this company mobile, so I can sign the paper that it will be hand over to me. So, second unboxing na talaga siya. So, let's check. And sabi ng IT, kailangan daw fully drain. Ay, fully drain na nga siya. Before siya i-charge. Nasaan charger nito? Ito talaga hindi pa to na-open. Ay, wala man cable. Wala man siyang cable lang. Wala siyang socket. Kaya yun. Wala din headset. Ito lang. Ito lang. Try ko nga siyang i-charge. Since na fully drain daw before it recharge. Before it charge ulit. Ba to? Wala, ayaw. Wala palang charger to. Cable lang. Ayun, nag-charge na. So, for now, I already have 5 mobile. Second company mobile, first company mobile, my very first company mobile. No, this is not company mobile. This is my first mobile. I bought this with my first salary on this company, 2017. 2017 February, J7 Prime. Buhay na buhay pa yan. 8 years na siya. Diba? J7 Prime. Pang support. And this, ano nga ba to? Anong nga ba to? I forgot. Basta, ilan years na to? 2021 ko yata binili ito. 2021. And that mobile, the one that I'm using for video, 2023. Oh, yan. Zero na. Hindi ko ma-open. Tingnan natin. Galaxy X Cover 7. 6GB, 128GB. Tama ba? 6GB, 128GB. Ba't ganun? 6GB, 128. Liit, sobrang liit. Oh. Basa nyo pa ba? 6GB and 128GB. Pero ang ganda niya, guys. Ang gaan. Ang lapad, pero ang gaan. Naka 1% na. Try natin kung ma-open. Tadaan! Samsung Galaxy. Sobrang heavy na ng bag ko because of these 5 mobiles. Ooh. Diba? 5 mobiles in my bag. Tadaan! Sana umokay na siya. Ayaw pa din. 1% pa lang kasi. Yesterday, when we open it, it was 6% battery. So, our IT engineer said, need to be fully drained before need to be charged. So, the whole day, hindi ko na malayan, super drain na siya. Ayan, ayaw niya mag-open. Tada! EN means it is a lot and a lot of yun lang. Sana maganda to. Diba? Need ko siya ng exclusive for one client lang yan. Diba? Bongga. Para sa kanila lang. 11 sites ang i-handle nito. By email, by WhatsApp, by calls. Good luck. Yun. May camera. And then, maganda kaya camera nito. Tingnan natin. Ay, ang ganda. Ganda ng camera. Diba? Install now. Schedule installed. Software update. Ayoko muna mag-update. Ganda ng camera niya, promise. And then, may mga apps na rin siya. May YouTube. May YouTube lang. Lagyan natin ng ay, may Facebook na. Oh, ha? May Facebook na siya. Ang galing, hindi na siya kailangan download ka ng download. Meron na siya. Ilalagin mo na lang. You are currently offline. Hala. Offline daw. Kailangan ko ng wifi dito. Pasukan naman. Netflix. Oh, nice. Yun lang ang kwento ko sa aking new company mobile, second company mobile na Galaxy X Cover 7. Good luck sa akin. Thank you for watching sa aking new company mobile. Marhaba, J. De La Cruz in Dubai. Have these collections. See how many mobiles I have.